'Twas early one morning, young Willie arose, and off to his true love's bedchamber he goes, saying, "Arise, my dearest comrade, and let no one know. It's a fine sunny morning, and a bathing we'll go." Young Willie plunged in and he swam the lake round, and he swam to an island of soft marshy ground, crying, "Comrade, dearest comrade, do not venture in, for there's false and deep waters in the lakes of Gulfin." And early next morning his sister arose, and off to her mother's bedchamber she goes, saying, "I had a sad dream about Willie last night. He was clad in a shroud of pure white, and later that evening his mother stood there. She was wringing her hands and tearing her hair. In anguish she gazed where young Willie plunged in. Ah, there's false and deep waters in the lakes of Gulfin. And I saw a fair maid standing fast by the shore. Her face, it was sad, she was crying full sore, crying woeful the hour young Willie plunged in to the false and deep waters in the lakes of Gulfin.